Hello and welcome to Mirka. Today we're going to do the unboxing video of the Mirka cordless sander, which is a Mirka AOS-B NV. Here you will find the machine manual with all the instructions regarding the machine. Please take a good read and read thoroughly through it. On the other side, please register your product within 30 days with your proof of purchase to gain your extra year's warranty. To register your tool for the 2+1 warranty, you will need your serial numbers. The first serial number will be located on the bottom of the inside of the machine on the black part. The other part is located on the front of the box. Thank you for watching the unboxing video on the Mirka cordless sander, which is a Mirka AOS-B NV. Please check out our YouTube videos and social media at Mirka UK.